Hi everyone, in today's video I will show you how to install and use 7-zip command on Linux. So at the beginning we will go into terminal, because of course I will show you this in the terminal, and maybe at the beginning I will tell you what is a 7-zip. 7-zip is a command line tool used to compress and extract files on Linux. So first of all we need to install it, and I will show you installation on Ubuntu and Debian. I don't know if it will work on the other distribution. You can test it by yourself, but I am showing this on the Ubuntu distribution. So sudo apt install is the beginning, and right now we have to install two packages. First one is p7-zip -full. It will basically install full 7-zip support, and the second one is p7-zip -rar. It will install rar archive support. So we have to press enter. Of course you have to type in the password because we use sudo command. And now, do you want to continue? We have to agree. And our 7-zip is installed. We can check it by typing in just 7-zip, and as you can see, my 7-zip right there, version 23.01 is installed. So we can move to the examples. So maybe at the beginning I will create a file. So for example, nano file.txt. Inside this I will type in test file. We can save that by pressing Ctrl O, enter, and Ctrl X on the keyboard. And right now, how to create an archive. So as you can see, we have a file. So in order to create an archive, we have to use 7z, and right now A, that stands for archive, and right now we have to name our archive. So for example, archive.7zip, like this. And right now we have to type in the files or the folders that we want to store in this archive. So for me it will be file.txt. As you can see, files read from this one, added new data to archive 1. Everything is okay, so everything went fine, and as you can see, we have an archive 7-zip right there. And of course we can do the same with folders. So I can create a folder, for example, right there. Inside this folder I will create a file, so nano file2, for example, and inside this I would create a file2 test inside folder 2. For example, I will save that again, I will go back, and we have a folder right there, as you can see. We can again create an archive, 7-zip a folder, for example, archive dot 7-zip, and the name of our folder like this, and we can press enter, and as you can see, add new data to archive 1 folder and 1 file, because we had a file inside this folder. So I will list that. As you can see, we have another archive. And how can we extract an archive? But before it, maybe I will remove this file like this. And right now, as you can see, we have an archive, so we can extract that. And as you can see, in order to extract that, we have to type in 7-zip x, that stands for extract, and right now the name of the archive, so 7-zip, and as you can see, I can list that. We have a file .txt here again. And of course we can extract something to a specific directory. So for example, if I want to extract this folder, archive.7zip, into a specific directory, I can do something like this. So 7-zip x folder archive.7zip and -o into a folder, for example, extracted, like this. So I will press enter, and as you can see, if I release that, we have a folder extracted right there, and inside this folder we have folder, and inside this folder we have a file to .txt, so everything worked fine. And Maybe I will show you how to create a zip archive or a tar archive. Maybe in order to create a zip archive, of course, you have to do 7zip a and the name of our archive like this, and file.txt. It works the same. Maybe I will not show that, so you can test it on your own. Again with tar, if we want to, for example, extract tar, we can do something like this, so tar gc, or if we want to extract zip, something like this, so everything will work. And now, how to create a password protected archive? Maybe I will show you, but before it, maybe I will show you how to list archive contents. So if you want to display, for example, what's inside this archive without extracting, you can use option 7zipl and archive.7zip. As you can see, it will show us only what's inside this archive without extracting it. So, how to create an archive with a password? So, a password protected archive, we can do something like this. So, 7zip a, and for example, secure.7zip, and we want to store this file.txt inside, and -p. As you can see, we have to type in the password, so I will type my password like this, and I will press enter. Everything is okay. My archive is password protected. And now, as you can see, we have a secure.7zip. Maybe I will try to remove that. So I will try to remove this file because I want to extract again my archive. So I will try to extract this secure archive. So that's 7zip like this. And as you can see, we have to enter the password because without it, it basically won't work. So I will type in my password. As you can see, everything is okay. Password went fine, and I can right now lift everything. And that's all in this video. This is how you can use 7zip on Linux. If you found this video helpful, you can leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you in the next videos.